Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix auto rotate not working on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, just open the control center and from here, just make sure you enable auto rotate. Now if auto rotate is already enabled on your smartphone, just tap and hold on auto rotate. And on this page, just make sure that all these toggles are enabled. Now after that, just restart your smartphone. To do that, just open the control center and tap on the power button and select restart. As you can see, our smartphone has finished restarting. Now if this did not fix your issue, just clear the cache partition of your smartphone. Now to do that, just connect one end of your charging cable to your smartphone. Now just connect the other end of your charging cable to your PC or to your laptop. Now you don't have to do anything on your PC or on your laptop. After that, just press and hold on the power button and the volume down button at the same time until the screen goes black. After that, just release the volume down button and press and hold the volume up button with the power button. Now as you can see, we have entered to the recovery mode. And just press the volume down button and navigate this screen. Now just select Wipe Cache Partition. Now just press the power button to confirm Wipe Cache Partition. Now just press the volume down button and press the power button to confirm yes. After that, just tap on the power button to confirm Reboot System Now. As you can see, our smartphone has finished restarting. Now, if this did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with your smartphone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix auto rotate not working on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.